Hi, my name is Liz Cogan.
And I'm Nick Jane, and we're from Discover Milton.
We're here today at the Milton Street Festival, and we know we're about to have a fantastic time. Maybe a little food, maybe even a little dancing. Who knows? Watch and find out. Absolutely picture perfect day in downtown Milton for the Street Festival. I'm very pleased to be here today with Katrina Lemire, and she's going to tell us about her new role as well as a little bit about what the Street Festival means and this year's turnout.
Thanks. So I'm Katrina Lemire. I'm the new Executive Director for the Downtown Milton BIA. We are delighted to be a co-host for this event this year, along with the town of Milton. We put on this event every year, and it's really about bringing the community together, welcoming Miltonians as well as visitors to Milton, and really showing off what our downtown area has to offer.
Hi, I'm Donna Daniele, and today I'm here with the Downtown Milton Street Festival. I'm on the organizing committee, and I'm also the entertainment coordinator for the festival. I'm particularly excited about the entertainment lineup we have this year. We have a number of local bands. We've got bands for kids, we've got something for seniors, we've got something for everybody. And headlining tonight, we have a Motley Crue and Bon Jovi tribute band. So there's a lot of great entertainment. There's 4 different stages, 2 stages and 2 performance areas, and entertainment going on at every one of them from noon to 11. So the entertainment is going. We've got patios, we've got vendors, we've got beautiful weather.
Optimist Club. John, tell us about your club, please.
Well, the Optimist Club is all about Friends of Youth. We try to bring out the best in kids. We have fundraisers throughout the year to help fund the activities that we do with kids.
We're here today with some awesome volunteers helping us out to keep the Milton Street Festival nice and clean. Guys, introduce yourself.
Jim Steves, Milton Green.
Stephen Lee.
Aram Amjad.
Awesome. Thanks so much for what you guys are doing to help us out, keep the place nice and clean. Guys, how do you like the festival so far? How's it going?
It's great fun. It's wonderful watching the kids and the parents all having a good time. It's a great thing.
Yeah, it's great seeing the community all come together and even just supporting the businesses that are at hand today. So.
Awesome.
Nice weather, awesome crowd. I love to see so many people on the road, especially the kids, and enjoying everything.
We can't do this without the volunteers. There are hundreds of volunteer hours that go into making a festival like this happen. So if you see anybody out there in an orange or a red shirt, please take the time to thank them for their time, because without them, we couldn't make this happen.